Vlogmas Day 2. We out here editing Vlogmas Day 1. We'll see if it's enough footage for a whole vlog. I don't know, but I feel very proud of myself that I am doing this. Anyways, I'm really craving a Lacombe coffee, so I need to like get up and do that as well. I wish somehow I could get it delivered to me, but I don't think I can. And we'll see what this day holds. I have an event at like 2:30 with Bridget, and then we'll probably take a photo. And other than that, I'm not sure, so you guys will know as I know. The lighting's kind of on fleek right now. If I didn't look like I just woke up, which I did. Guys, I finished editing the vlog for today, so there's gonna be a Vlogmas Day 1. I feel happy for me completing that. And it turns out I ordered Starbucks for delivery, which is kind of embarrassing because it's pretty close to me, but I don't feel like getting ready and going outside yet because I want to shower and then like get ready for filming a TikTok and for the event later. So delivery it is. I'll show you what I got once it comes. She's here. Let me do an unboxing. Okay, we've got a sandwich, forget which one, and iced chestnut praline, the best drink around. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower and I'm picking my outfit, and here's what I've done. I can't tell if this is like weird being pink and pink, but I don't know. I think I like it. Bridget said it's good, so I guess I'll keep it and we'll see. Hopefully the pictures are cute, but I need to like clean my room. It's disgusting, and get ready because I don't have much longer until we need to be there. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Just brushed my hair, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I use in my hair and in my skincare routine because I don't think I've ever talked about it. But once I'm out of the shower, I use this DD Hair Mist leave-in conditioner and then this all-in-one milk. These are both from Davines. And then I use this Aveda like thickening scalp hair serum always, even if I'm letting my hair air dry. And then whenever I'm blow drying, I use these 3 as well. Actually, there's 4. Hold on, forgot about 1. So 4. First, I use this Colorado Dream Coat that's just like a spray. And the reason I only use these when I'm blow drying is because they're all heat activated. So you can only use them when you're blow drying or it won't work. So first we have Colorado Dream Coat, just like to make your hair shiny. This one, Head Candy Blow Dry Lotion. This one is for breakage. And then this one is a mousse. So I use these all when I'm blow drying. I'm gonna put them in and then I'll tell you what my skincare is. Okay. Skincare situation. Toner. This is Dr. Brandt toner. I like the spray ones. Serum, Beauty Counter, vitamin C serum, and I gua sha, important step. I really like this. Moisturizer, Livido Age Away Hydrating Cream, eye cream. This one is Pharmacy Brightening Cream. And then I use this little tool like under my eyes, and I really like it because it's really cold and it feels nice. And then sunscreen, super important. This one's Cocoa Kind. It's just like a daily SPF, and I really like it because it's not oily. Chapstick. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair and put on makeup and then leave. Okay, I'm ready to leave. I did my hair. I just made it straight because I haven't had straight hair in a long time, honestly. But here is the full fit. I actually ended up liking it. I just put on these white sneakers and my Balenciaga bag. And my dilemma now is that I don't want to wear a coat because obviously I don't have anything that's gonna match this. It's kind of cold. It's like 50 right now. So I might be cold, but the place is like really close. It's like 4 blocks away. So I could potentially just handle it. Also, I'm realizing I didn't put on jewelry. I need to do that. Bridget said I'll freeze, so I put on this coat, but now I look like insane. So I don't really know. Ugh, I like don't have any coats that are gonna look good with this. The drama. I'm going jacketless. Change of plans. I looked like a psycho. I'm just gonna hope for the best that I don't freeze. Vlogception. Bridget was so drama and she's like, you have to wear a coat, and suddenly she's here naked legged. And I'm fine with no coat for now. Anyways, I don't even think that I said where we're going because we don't really know. We're going to something.
Go that way?
No. And we're gonna find out when you find out.
There. I thought it was down.
No, it's this way. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, I'm back. That was like the cutest thing ever. It was a showroom, INSTA, and they had so many cute brands, and so nice. They gave us acai bowls from Oak and Berry. I need to eat mine before it melts, but I'm excited about that. And they gave us some stuff. I will show you guys once I'm done eating it because I'm scared it's gonna melt. I'll show you guys, and I got a few packages, so I'll open those with you guys as well. And me and Bridget, I didn't film, but me and Bridget shot these two outfits. Not these two outfits. I shot one outfit and she shot one outfit. So I guess total that's two. Okay. BRB. Gonna eat my bowl. I'm back. Guys, I'm really obsessed with this sweater. And I like how it turned out with the pink pants. I was a bit weary at first, but I really liked how it turned out. And I was like fine with no coat. I survived. But we got like a few things from the showroom. They said they're gonna mail us other things, so I'll show you guys what they end up mailing us when it gets here. But I picked two of these hand creams, which I love. I don't know what the flavors are. Namaste and Love. They're closed. I'll probably keep one for myself, give one to someone. And then I got two of these cute natural deodorants. Again, I'll probably keep one, give one away. My sisters are so lucky, guys, because, and my mom. My mom's actually the biggest culprit of wanting things. But I give them so much stuff. And, you know, they don't appreciate me as much as they should. They also gave us this cute notebook, which I'm actually going to switch out my current notebook because it's just like old and gross. Oh, wait, whoa, this one's like not lined paper. I don't know how I feel about that, but cute. And then this like kit, it's like a bunch of soaps, but I really like this container that it came in. And inside there's like a whole ton of hand soaps. And then the packages. We got an Urban. This is just a hat that I ordered on Black Friday. Urban had a pretty good deal. I think it was like 30% off. Cute. This little boy's lie beanie. I really like this. Cute. I don't think I have any brown ones. This is Amazon. I'm a bit weary about this because it's a sweatshirt, but it feels very thin, so I don't know. Oh, I guess it's a crew neck, so that makes it a bit better. It's like an essentials sweatshirt. It's probably not the real one. I think it's just like a dupe, but it's cute. I don't know. I wanted it to be bigger. I like when sweatshirts are like huge, you know? But still cute. Oh my god, and the last one is Zara. Okay, I got a bathrobe. I'm so dramatic, but it's so cute. And it has my name. I got my name like embroidered on it. And it's only like, Zara always does these like embroidery, like customized things, and they're only an extra like $1, so it's so worth it. This is a nice robe. I have one already that I got. I'm gonna put it in a vlog. The something navy one, but it's just like absolutely massive and it doesn't fit in my closet here, so I'm gonna bring that one home and use that as my like robe at my parents' house. Keep this one here. And then I also got this blue dress. It's like a blue satiny dress, and the back is the cool part. The back is the cool part. It's like a rhinestone, super cute, and like I don't know what this is called. Hopefully this fits nicely. This is like a really cute holiday party dress. And then I got one more top that's like, it's just a white button down, but it has a unique feature. It has, where are they? There they are. It has this like string that like the girl had like tied around her neck, and it like looked really cool. It's probably gonna be hard to see, but I can show you guys once I end up trying it on how it looks on. Hopefully I like this stuff. And that's it for the packages today, I think. Not a big package day. Usually I have a lot more. You guys are probably sick of seeing me open packages because I feel like that's all I do in all my vlogs is open a million packages. So if you like seeing that, let me know, and if you don't, let me know and I'll stop doing it. Guys, I'm back because two things. I set up this cute little bowl I got yesterday. It's obsessed. It's obsessed. I'm obsessed. And I think it looks really cute, and I feel like this is something I can have for a long time. And then I also set up the little candle. I got this one yesterday. I thought it would look really cute with these two little ones, and it does. So just decorated that shelf a bit. And then while I'm down here, let me go to my sunglasses container. I got these Lexola glasses just now in the mail. Green. They match my shirt. But I already have them in blue. So now I have two. But I really like them. And like this was not sent to me, so I don't just like have two for fun. Like I bought two because I'm crazy. These are not that cheap of sunglasses. But I like both colors a lot. I saw these on someone's story and I was like, wait, I have to have the green. And I just feel like they fit really nice. Like they're not, I don't know, I think they're flattering on my face, and I really like the green color right now. So also I ordered dinner, and I'll show you once I unpackage it, but I got pizza and Brussels sprouts from Rowi's, which is like the best ever, and I'm excited to eat it. I have no groceries, so I have been eating out, and it's really bad because I need to stop doing that. But I don't want to buy groceries because I'm leaving on Friday, which today's Wednesday. I'm leaving on Friday to go back to Connecticut, so I don't want to like buy groceries yet. And that's how I was feeling before Thanksgiving, because I was like, oh, I'm leaving for Thanksgiving, and then I'm back this week. I'm like, oh, I'm only here for 4 days, so I have not gone to the grocery store in a long time, and I keep ordering food, and it's really bad. I need to not do that anymore. But I guess until Friday, I'm gonna keep ordering. Literally psycho. Okay, one moment. Let me unpackage it, and then I'll show you. Okay, here she is. These are the best Brussels ever. I'm so obsessed with them. And it seems my pizza got a bit dismantled, but it's okay. Also, it seems less well done than it usually is, which is interesting, but I guess it's fine. I'm so dramatic. Okay, I'm gonna eat and probably watch some YouTube. I like don't watch regular TV when I'm alone. I literally only watch YouTube. I can only watch TV if I'm with another person. But like not TV, but like Netflix, Hulu, all those things, like real shows, I'm only capable of watching them with other people. I watch nothing alone. I used to, but like now I don't. I only watch YouTube. If anyone else can relate, let me know, because I feel like it's kind of weird of me, but I'm gonna watch some YouTube. I feel like I'm not cut up, and maybe I'll start editing this vlog. I wonder if I have enough footage to post a whole day vlog again. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on Vlogmas Day 3.